All right, so good day. Okay, and here we go again, and another day adventure. So this time, okay, so I drove my motorbike from the boundary of Aningalan, San Remigio Antique, going to Baldan. But before that, dadaan tayo muna tayo ng Igparas. Because a portion of the road is actually in Igparas before we go to Tugungan. Okay, so you can see talagang sobrang ganda ng view dito. Okay, okay, baka kayo ma-confuse ba't ako nagtatagalog. Actually, my dialect is Kinaraya because I'm from Antique. However, para maintindihan ng mga viewers, okay, in case you're viewing right now. Okay, so okay, as you can see, a part of the road is putol, hindi pa, hindi pa sementado, no? And on this part, medyo madulas pa pag tagulan, but timing lang talaga yung aking ride kasi it's dry season, so walang ulan kasi pag may ulan, delikado. I have experience passing through this rough road. Talagang sobrang delikado, madulas. Dudulas yung motor ko, and I've been using same motor. As you can see, sobrang ganda talaga. Grabe, look at that, wow. Kitang-kita mo talaga yung view ng bundok, kabundukan, with a very luscious and greenish na kapaligiran, no? Okay, so dito I try to change the view. Grabe. I feel really satisfied with this recording. So dito makikita nyo may mga yellow na bulaklak. Maraming mga I don't know these flowers, pero maraming mga mga magagandang bulaklak. Parang wildflowers. Okay, yan. Grabe. So I try to stay on the side kasi may mga nakakasalubong ako, mga nagmumotor, no? Anyway, Sabado yung araw na to, and talagang grabe, pang movie yata ang video, pero I really admire the view. Minsan this is my way of relaxing. So dito may mga bahay, but as far as I know, wala namang masyadong tumitira dito sa bundok, but recently talagang maraming mga turista, no? Especially mga local tourists na napupunta. So you can see up ahead, no? Yun yung yung sementadong part na that's where people or tourists, local tourists enter going to Hiritsan Falls sa Igparas. May dyan may waterfalls. Sobrang ganda din, and yung alam ko pwedeng maligo dyan but hindi pa ako bumisita, no? Okay, and dito talagang nakaka-relax tingnan yung view, diba? So parang sarap mamuhay dito, kaso lang yung alam ko walang kuryente dito so they rely on solar power. Okay? Yun, biglang nawala yung drone ko. Yun, buti na lang naabutan ulit ako. Okay, anyway, dito na yung last na pababa, and talagang grabe yung yung bundok, yung view, nakaka-relax. So I think the best way to visit this place, mga ganitong buwan, February to May, kasi walang ulan, tsaka hindi madulas. Yung mga sasakyan pasok din dito. Actually, sa araw na to, parang alam ko, Vesperas yata ng Aningalan, ng barangay Aningalan. And marami akong nakasalubong na mga sasakyan na papunta. Yan, grabe. Sarap gawa ng reels na may magandang music. Mamaya. Okay, well, we're gonna work on that. Okay. But for now, enjoy nyo na muna yung view na to. Okay. Sayang, sana record ko din yung sound. Pwede yata to kaso lang baka mas marami siyang storage space na i-occupy sa aking sa camera, sa drone mismo, kasi doon nakasave yung mga yung mga video files. Yan, dito on this part. Okay, dito na yung sementado na yung kalsada. Okay. And kita nyo naman. By the way, if you want to appreciate and watch with a better view, with a wider view, mas magandang tingnan to, try to flip on the side your phone, no? Para makita nyo yung yung lapad. Okay, pwede ko rin itong i-convert sa 9:16 na video size, pero mas okay yata yung ganito kasi you can see the whole view. Yan, yung bundok, diba? Sobrang ganda. So, well, if you appreciate and like this video, you can share this to others. Okay, so yun, dito yung entrance going to Giritsan. So dito I drop by muna at magkape. Yan. Pumasok muna ako dito kasi may kape na rin sila at saka may mga pagkain. So pwede kang mag-stop muna. Okay.